Welcome to the grand finale of WitBlox Young Inventor Techfest 2021 organized by IIT Bombay. Let's check out the journey of Arjun Kohli from Bangalore.
My name is Arjun Kohli and I'm a student in grade 12 from Bangalore. During my free time, my hobbies include many things like playing cricket, tennis, the piano, ciphering, and of course, programming. Aside from that, I'm interested in the fields of mathematics and computational medicine, and like exploring innovation at the intersection of computer science and healthcare. Since I was a child, the ability of sight was one that I always took for granted, which is why I was shaken when my mother was diagnosed with angle closure glaucoma. I learned that the disease often goes unnoticed, as it has no obvious symptoms. However, it has the potential to develop rapidly and cause irreversible blindness. Fortunately, my mother was diagnosed early and had minor eye surgery called laser iridotomy. Many others, however, are not so lucky.
ACG is an aggressive, debilitating, and complex condition of the eye. It carries the highest risk of blindness among all types of glaucoma, affecting 23 million people worldwide, with 12.7% of cases happening in India alone.
To come up with a solution to help others suffering from ACG, I wanted to create an accessible, low-cost screening tool to benefit those without easy access to eye clinics, especially those living in rural areas. Developed an early screening tool that requires a normal smartphone camera. By looking at a side view image of the eye, it calculates the anterior chamber depth and uses image processing and computer vision techniques to determine the level of risk the patient is at. The user just needs to capture the image, upload it to the app, and immediately they get a pre-diagnosis of the risk level of developing ACG. If a patient is classified as being at risk, they are directed to consult a medical professional for further diagnosis, thus reducing the risk of blindness through ACG. I'd look to take this further and hope it can be developed into a full commercial solution and inspire others to use AI for frugal innovation by leveraging such technologies to bring positive change to medicine and many other such fields.
One major challenge I had in the prototyping stage was in the detection and localization of the pupil in the eye, as the eyelashes were of the same color as the pupil and could sometimes even partially cover the eye, leading to noise disturbances due to similarities in pixel intensities. To resolve this, I tried many solutions, such as Gaussian kernels, median filters, and wavelet denoising, but nothing was working, so I decided to deep dive into the literature. After going through countless papers over a week, I finally got an idea of employing signal processing algorithms and managed to devise a method by which I could filter out unwanted noise to have a clear image which I could then use in the pipeline for further processing. So far, I've had positive results from my preliminary findings in a validation study at the Eye Foundation Hospital, with an 85% accuracy in detecting the risk of ACG.
I'd look to take this further and hope it can be developed into a full commercial solution and inspire others to use AI for frugal innovation by leveraging such technologies to bring positive change to medicine and many other such fields.